Alright, we have made it to our camping spot. There's only one other car here, which is nice. I'm actually kind of surprised there's anyone here at all, but we've got a nice little camping area. We're right next to the creek. Let's go check it out. I'm going to be using the G2 5-inch firebox today. This is a little bit bigger steak than I anticipated on getting, but this is all the store had, so I've got a thick $20 ribeye, but too much steak is not a problem, is it? We're going to season it with some Redmond real salt, hickory smoked salt. This is a thick steak, so we're going to season it generously. I can't remember the last time I've cooked a steak that thick. Firebox cast iron, of course. Alright, we're going to take the steak off, let it rest. Ooh, yep, nice and rare. One more pinch of salt. A nice little brown on those onions. That is a lot of steak. Very low chance we eat all that, but there you go. It's gonna be cold tonight. Even though we're down in the desert, I think it's gonna hit the 20s. So this will definitely help us stay warm. All right, we got our tent set up. I got my heavy sleeping bag and extra blankets because even though we're in the desert, it's going to get very, very cold down here, especially since we're kind of down in a little canyon and that cold air just settles right here. So I might just chill around the firebox because even though it's pitch black, it's only like 6 o'clock. Probably the worst part about this time of year. I am not tired, so maybe I'll do some exploring, walk up and down the creek, who knows, but I will see you guys in the morning. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at all that ice on my sleeping bag. Oh my gosh. Good morning. It's about 8 a.m. Not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. It probably got right down to about freezing last night, but that is not a bad view to wake up to. Red Rock Cliffs. Wow. I think the first order of business on the day is try to catch a fish. I'm gonna get my fly rod rigged up. We're gonna head down to the creek. Fingers are already getting cold. Got him. Oh, I had him. I had him. No. Dude. I had him. First bite of the day. There he is, sitting right there. Well, we didn't catch any fish this morning. We did hook one. I think some bacon will make up for it. First, we'll boil a little water for hot chocolate. We've got the Lucky Charms marshmallows too. Oh, well that's just wonderful. I still haven't really mastered the art of egg flipping. Whew, it's still very much hot. I'm gonna let that cool down for a minute. This morning, we're gonna do a little hiking into a waterfall. And it's gonna be pretty cool. And we're gonna do some fishing along the way, of course. That is our next biggest priority, catch a fish. All right, finally getting going, and it's 11 o'clock. Took us quite a bit longer to clean up and get everything together. So we're getting a late start, but we've got 3 miles to go to the waterfall. But of course we're gonna stop and fish the stream along the way. And from my experience, this time of year is the hardest time of year to catch fish out of this creek. We're gonna start with a spinner, but I have worms as backup. So without further ado, let's get going. We got a ways to go. There's some big fish out there. I just don't know how we get down there. It's completely flooded. Oh, got him, good fish, good fish, good fish. I casted right on top of his head. Sight fished him. Now look at this. We have to flip him up here somehow. This is like a 10-foot ledge. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a big fish. I don't know if I can flip him. This is only 4-pound line. Dude. All right, how are we gonna get this thing? This is crazy. Look at this. This is very dangerous. This is a slick rock. I might be able to lift him. It's gonna be very, very, very risky. And got him! Yes! Woohoo! Oh, there we go, my friends. We're keeping him, by the way, so don't worry. Wow, because I am relying on catching dinner, and that's what we did. Look at that brown. That's a solid fish. There are much bigger fish in this little beaver dam. I've seen 4, 5, 6 pounders. So this is still a good one. Honestly, it's a little bit bigger than I would have preferred to keep, but because the fishing can be so slow in here, I'm not risking it. We're gonna take this guy. Wow, that's awesome. First fish of the day, and it's a good one. A little bit bigger than what I wanted to keep initially, but I'm gonna take it because I don't know how many more fish we're gonna catch today. Like I said, this place is really tough this time of year. It's nice that we have dinner. Now we can just fish around and have fun. What's nice is you got this sandy yellow bottom, so the fish stand out really well. And you can just sight fish right to them. Although I'm not seeing really anything right here. There's gonna be one over in that corner. Got him right there. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Woo! Not as big as the one we kept, but I'll take it. Got him. Nice, my friends. Heck yeah, I'm already off to a better start than I've done here the last 3 times I've been here. Yeah, that is a pretty fish right there. Heck yeah, very happy with that. Beautiful brown trout, second one of the day. We're gonna have to give him a little toss. See you later, buddy. There he goes. Ah, nice. Woo! We're here. Check it out. Well, we made it after a 3-mile hike, after catching 2 good fish, very happy. We end it with a beautiful view. This is what we came here for. Probably top 3 favorite places on planet Earth for me. I love it. All right, let's try to catch a fish. I am bound and determined to catch a fish from this waterfall. So the spinner didn't work, so we're gonna try a black marabou jig. That ought to get him. We're gonna sneak up along the wall here. Oh yeah, we're kind of, ooh. Okay, that's slick rock. Gotta be careful. There's actually not as much wind right here up against the wall. It's kind of nice. Oh, there was a fish right there at my feet and I spooked him. Oh, there's a few fish right there. Hold on. They're right up in that little corner. Okay, we might have found something here. Well, we might have to throw the old worm out there because I'm not getting anything. I saw some nice ones right there in that little pocket, but not even a follow. So I think it's worm time. Let's see if the old Maverick Nightcrawler can come in clutch here. Whoa! Ah, I keep forgetting that this is like slick. Oh, there was one. He's got it, he's got it. Fish on! Fish on! Yeah, buddy. No, he came off right there. What? Oh, man. And he left me like all of my worms, so that's chill. And guys, that almost looked like a cutthroat trout. That's crazy. It's like 99% browns in here and then like a couple cutthroat. That really looked like one right there. That's a fish, that's a fish. Something's chewing on it. I'm gonna let him eat it. 3, 2, 1. No, how? How? Dude, I let him eat it. Oh my gosh, and I'm about to fall and die. What? I let that fish eat it for a while. Let's try that again. We're 0 for 2, but at least we're getting bites. Oh, something's got it. Something's got it. He just dropped it. He's got it. There we go. There we go. We caught a fish. Is that a brown or a cutthroat? What is that? He's like super pale. That's a cutthroat. Hey, look at that, folks. Check. Oh my gosh. A very pale cutthroat. Like he's got no color on him whatsoever. He's just the color of the sand, which makes sense. Pretty fish though. Oh, something's got it. No, no. Oh, he's on it again. He's on it again. Got him. Got him. That feels like a better fish. Nope, it's not. It's not a better fish, but it's a fish. It's a, I can't tell, brown or cutthroat. Probably a brown. Yeah, it's a brown. Sweet. Yeah. Fish number 2 from the waterfall. That's our target species for today. Beautiful little brown trout. He felt a lot bigger when he bit, I promise. He's on it, he's on it. Got him. Fish on. Another cutthroat, it looks like. Yep. Another cutty. Or no, it's a brown. That's a brown. Just a really light colored brown. Another beautiful little brown. Kind of skinny. But there you go. Bye-bye. Don't try that at home, kids. All right, well that's gonna do it for me here. We caught 3 fish, 2 browns and a little cutthroat, which funny enough, this stream is supposed to just be brown trout, but there are cutthroat trout in the stream above. So that cutthroat probably got washed down and had the ride of his life. I'm gonna do some more fishing on the hike back and then we'll go from there. I love it out here though. This is so much fun. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. Oh, oh, ah. We've got one here. Got him right there. Oh, shoot. Dude, he was following it, tracking it down. He was not going to give up. Ah, I just didn't get a good hook set. This is Indian snake grass. We used to collect this as kids. It's kind of cool. Oh, got him. There we go. There's one. Nice. Brown. Boat flip him here. Another good fish. Really pretty. See you later, buddy. Oh, I can see fish clear down there. That's how much they stand out. Money cast. Oh, there's 3. Oh, got him. Oh, shoot. I had one. 4 came out for it. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Ah. One chased it all the way up, nipped at it, but I pulled it away from him too soon. Okay, there's 3 fish that I can see right there. Oh. Got him. Got the smallest one over there. Literally the smallest one. Hey, calm down, bud. Calm down, bud. Another little brown. Beautiful little red spots. So much fun. Come on, we need a bigger one. Oh, here they come. Got him right there. A little bit bigger. Oh, bye-bye. Well, this would have been a lot better at the beginning of our hike, but of course we forgot. I forgot the relights. But we're gonna have one now because I am exhausted and likely dehydrated. We're gonna go with the old strawberry. Oh, let me just spill half of it. No sugar, hydrates you faster than water or Gatorade, and it tastes pretty good too. Oh my gosh, that hits different after a 6-mile hike. But we made it. As you can see, we have a lot more time than I was thinking we were gonna have. We've probably got 2 hours left in the day, so we're gonna have plenty of time to cook dinner. I am so sore though, like, oh my gosh. It's one thing hiking 6 miles, it's another thing hiking 6 miles in the sand. And if you guys know what I'm talking about. Every step you take, the sand just kind of pulls you back and gives you a good workout. I am starving, dude, like, holy cow. So, I'm gonna go clean our trout, get the stove rolling, and it's dinner time. I will say the quality of wood out here is not great. But we're making do with what we have. Bacon, butter, and brown trout. That's gotta be good, right? Ooh. Wow. Wow, that is good fish. That is very good. Meat just slides right off the rib cage. Drag it through some of that bacon fat. You know, a lot of times these big male brown trout don't always taste amazing, but this one is actually awesome. Post-spawn, really healthy fish. And even though it has white flesh, that's still just delicious. Nice and tender. A little more Redmond lemon pepper, because it is delicious. You know what else we got is a lemon. Frozen lemon, jeez. This lemon is frozen, so the juice isn't wanting to come out as easy. Our fire's died down to where it's kind of just warm, keeping our food warm now. Look at that. Mmm. The fish was really good, but it is time for dessert. Pop-Tarts, cream cheese frosting. You guys know the drill. Now these cook lightning fast, so you gotta really pay attention to them. Yep, that'll do it. Deep fried Pop-Tart, lemon zest, cream cheese frosting. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Bacon, brown trout, and deep fried Pop-Tarts. Beautiful waterfall, catching some good fish. It's been a good day.